Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to merge number in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I show you three different methods to merge number in Excel. So let's start the first one, method 1. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, select the first number and use here the ampersand sign. So I add here the ampersand sign, the and sign, and select the second number and press the enter key, and that's it. Here you can see the 101 202, same as both number here merge 101 202. Okay, so that's it. For the second method, simply select the cell, use the is equal to, and use here the text join function. Okay, and use here after the text join in bracket, in double quote, use the double quote two times, use the comma, select here the true to ignore empty cell, use the comma, and select the both numbers. So I select the first one and second one, and bracket closed and enter. Same as here, so 101 202. 101 202 is merge both number. And for the third method, simply select the cell, use the is equal to, use here the value functions, and select here the first number, use the ampersand sign and sign, and select the second number, bracket closed and enter. And that's it. 101 202. I just select the cell, drag the formula below the cell, same as for second column. Drag the formula below the cell. I just drag the formula below the cell. Here you can see 9012, 9012, 1012, and 9012. The both numbers is merged in every cell. Okay, so this is the way you can merge number in Excel with the three different methods. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.